Welcome. In front of me is an Honor Magic V2, and today I will show you how we can enable power saving mode on this device. So to get started, let's pull down our toggles by swiping down from the top right side of the screen, like so. And somewhere here you should have a power saving mode visible. If you don't see it anywhere at the front, you can swipe down and this will show you a little bit more toggles that you can access, which one of those should be power saving mode. So for me, it's right over here. Once you see it, simply tap on it. It gives you a nice information what will happen with this being enabled. So power saving mode, dark mode will be enabled, always on display, auto sync and some other functions will be turned off. Background app activity will be restricted and visual effects will be reduced. Now, out of all of this, the thing that matters the most is the auto sync. It's not well described on what it will do, but basically what it does is it will turn off Wi-Fi and mobile data when you're not using the device, and because of that, if for instance you get an email that you're waiting for with the power saving being enabled, you would need to open up your emails and just swipe down to refresh it to force the device to look for that update, for basically to sync the notification that it might be missing. That is basically what I'm expecting is happening, because it is saying that it's going to be disabled. But there is alternative that it might be looking for updates every maybe half an hour or so. So you might be getting a bunch of notifications in bulk at once every so often. So this is something that might be happening. It's something that you would need to check out. But based on this message, it will imply that it just doesn't look for it at all. Anyway, I do recommend checking this, so don't remind me again, and then select enable, so this pop-up won't show up again. Now, the only thing that you can see right here with this being enabled is this little leaf right here next to the battery to signify that it is right now running, but there is also another thing that you can probably see, which is the refresh rate. By default, the device runs at 120 Hz. With power saving mode being enabled, it is down to 60, so it might look a bit choppy. Once you're done with the power saving mode, you can just turn it off by finding the toggle once more and tapping on it. And as you can see, this reverts all the changes. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.